Hi call center experts! In this video, we'll explore how to manage your call center team, create work groups, roles, and statuses. Let's start with members. To add a new user, click on Invite Team Member and enter their information. Then select the business numbers that the user will be able to use for outgoing calls or messages. On the right, select the role for the current user and hit Save. Here, you can also edit existing members and assign new roles to them. You can apply settings in bulk when you assign or unassign business numbers, delete users, or change their roles. If you want your calls to be routed to multiple users, you'll need to create workgroups. For that, click on Workgroups, create a group, add all the users you want to be included in this group, and hit Save. Now you can use this workgroup for your call flows. Here you can also edit existing groups and see which call flows they are a part of. The next tab is called Roles, and it's all about your users' access and permissions. In MightyCall, there are 3 default roles: Agent, Manager, and Administrator, where each one has a certain level of access to the call center's data. For instance, agents will only have access to the communication history of the events they've been assigned to, and will only have limited access to call center reports, team, and contacts, while managers have complete access to communication history and can view and manage all the account sections except for the user's roles. Administrators have full access to all account data. In MightyCall, you can also create custom roles. To do that, hit Create New Role and go through the permissions, selecting the right level of access you need for this role. After saving it, you can assign your users to it. If you want to check that you've set up everything right, you can view the account and settings as your agent sees them by clicking on the Supervise button in front of the selected agent. And the last tab in the Team section is where you manage statuses. MightyCall has default statuses that agents can manually select, such as Available and Do Not Disturb, which you can rename. And statuses like On a Call, Wrapping Up, Outbound Calls Only, and Offline are assigned automatically by the system. In MightyCall, you can also create custom statuses. Simply click on Add Status and select the user's presence setting for when they choose the status: Available, Do Not Disturb, or On a Call. Note that On a Call statuses are selectable during a call, informing the supervisor that the user is at a certain stage of the call or handling a specific case. Call center supervisors can monitor and change agent statuses in real time in the Supervisor Workspace. If you have any questions, please contact our friendly support team. Happy calling!